SEO service is one of the best service that you can drop service and easily get a recurring income. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that gives you the best tips, strategies and tools for building a profitable online business. On my channel, I talk a lot about how you can grow your online business. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Today's video is highly requested and I will be talking about SEO services and how you can bundle services to sell together with this SEO service and get a much higher profit for your drop servicing business. Last week, I made a video about how you can 15 times your profit on your drop servicing business. I demonstrate how you can increase your profit by bundling the services together. Last week, I demonstrate how you can bundle video services. And this week, I'll be sharing how you can bundle SEO services. So because of last week's video, many of you asked me to do a bundle for SEO service. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So what is SEO service? SEO, known as Search Engine Optimization, is an internet marketing strategy that can place your website at the top of the search engine result, like Google, Yahoo, and Bing, for free and unlimited traffic. If the keyword of your brand ranks very high on the Google first page, then you will get a lot of organic traffic. Many companies fight to get to the first page of the Google search result, and it very much depends on the keyword. Basically, SEO services requires intensive market research and keyword research. The price of SEO services has a very big range because it depends on what the website needs. In general, SEO services cost between $750 to $2,000 per month. These prices are usually charged by the marketing agency outside, and I have done a research on this. SEO service is ideal for a recurring income. I will let you know why later in this video, so make sure that you stick around. Generally, SEO basic package consists of 5 items. Number 1, keyword research. Number 2 is the website audit. Number 3 is the content plan or the strategy. Number 4 is the website optimization. And lastly, number 5 is the link building. Now let me show you the cost of each and every one of these services. For keyword research, website audit, as well as content plan or strategy is charged under one service. Freelancers are charging at $75. So this will include the competitors research, the action plan, as well as the website audit. For website optimization, most of the freelancers are charging around $30. And lastly, for the link building, freelancers are charging at $95. I've done a market price research and the SEO basic package will charge at $500 per month for just this basic package alone. The cost for these 5 services is $200. So for an SEO basic package of $500 and with a cost of $200, we are actually making a $300 for one SEO basic package. Basically, these 5 services are required by companies on a monthly basis. As you can see, the basic SEO package is $500 and companies need to do this every single month. They need to build link every single month to the website, and they also need to do a lot of keyword research in case that the keyword that they have done has become competitive. Plus, website optimization needs to be done on a very regular basis. So this basic package is required no matter what, as long as you own a website. And that is the reason why SEO service is very ideal for you to get a recurring income. So if you have no idea on what service that you want to promote for your drop servicing business, then you might want to try SEO service. Now here is the exciting part, and this is the main thing that I want to talk about, which is to upsell a bundle for your clients. So for example, you have a client that engage you for the basic SEO package of $500 and your client is very happy of your service. So what you can do is you can create a bundle to upsell to this existing client. There are many ways that you can bundle your package, but today I will be only showing you one example of the bundle that you can promote to your clients. This bundle consists of 3 items. The first item is content creation. This involves creating SEO-friendly articles of about 1,000 words. And freelancers usually charge about $100 per article. So in this bundle, you are going to provide 4 articles for your clients. So it's 1 article per week. And the cost will be total of $400. The second item for this bundle will be the Search Engine Marketing Management. In short, we call it SEMM. So this involves managing ads campaign, and freelancers usually charge about $200 per campaign. And the last item on this bundle will be the website maintenance. So website needs a lot of maintenance, a lot of updates, as well as need to fix the errors. And this one usually the freelancer will charge $100 each time. So we are going to provide the clients with 1 website maintenance per month. So the total cost for this bundle will be $700. Now let us see how much that we can sell this for. For content creation, we are giving 4 SEO-friendly articles. For this alone, most of the marketing agency outside is charging about $1,000. For search engine marketing management, marketing agency outside is charging about $1,300, which includes the setting up plus 30 days of management. Lastly, for website maintenance, we are going to give it free to our clients. So now let us see how much that we can earn from this bundle. The total market price for these 3 items is $2,300, but we are going to charge at $2,000. And with the cost of $700, our profit is a net profit of $1,300. So this is exactly how you can increase your profit from $300 to $1,300 by just upselling this bundle. There are many more other bundles that you can include into your SEO service package. And today I'll be only showing you this one. You can bundle any services which is related to this SEO service and related to website. So if you want to add on other packages which is more advanced kind of packages, you can include in anything related to website. So you have website design, website management. You can even bundle in a social media marketing for your client, because all website owners need to link their website to their social media to gain more exposure. And building backlink from social media is also one of the SEO service that most of the clients need. So I hope today's video bring value to your job servicing business. If you need any more bundle recommendation, please do leave them down in the comment section below, and I will try to make a video just for you. I would love to discuss more about the bundles in the comment section below, so feel free to discuss with me in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!